Good morning, students of class 10. Today our lesson is the story of village PALAMPUR. Economics, first chapter. First of all, we see the definition of economics. It is a branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Three things you remember. Economics is concerned with production, consumption and transfer of wealth. Let's go directly to the topic. PALAMPUR. PALAMPUR is a self-sufficient village. What is the meaning of self-sufficient village? Very simple. A village which has all the requirements of its own to fulfill within the periphery of the village. In other words, it doesn't have to depend on the neighboring village. So, self-sufficient village is a village, you can call it a model village, which has all the requisites to fulfill the economic needs of its people. It doesn't have to depend on the neighboring village. Now, quickly you see PALAMPUR, it has 450 families here in this tiny village. Village, you know, a better word of village is hamlet. Here you find 80% of the people belonging to upper caste. In fact, they are the owners of huge plots of land in the village. 1/3 belongs to the Dalit community. Here you find, and meaning there are upper caste and the Dalits. 1/3, excuse me, 1/3% of the population is of the Dalits. Okay? You understand this one? 1/3 here is of the Dalit community. Now, we come on to here in PALAMPUR, we have landless agricultural laborers, marginal farmers, and of course you get the artisans, those who are carpenters, laborers, masons, etc. Now, this village here, farming is the main occupation of this village. Here the farmers, they have 3 crops: rice, wheat and potatoes. Okay? Now, production. What is the definition of production in economics? The aim of production is to produce goods and services that we need. Goods meaning the things which we need, like toothpaste we need early in the morning, services here, newspaper and dairy services, milk and all this we get here. Now, come to the next topic. 4 requirements for production. Here, the first requirement is land. Land and other natural resources such as water, forest and minerals. Number 1. Number 2, labor. Labor are of 2 kinds, skilled and unskilled labor. Skilled labor are the persons who are qualified in the field of computers and technical field, whereas manual labor, those who work in daily basis, those who are not qualified. Now, you just see this one, physical capital. What is physical capital? The variety of inputs required at every stage during production. You get here, see this one. What are the things here we need? We need machines, plow, then harvesters, cultivators, etc. Now, then also you have here, you can write generators, turbines and computers. Now, this one can be used for many years. This one which we are doing here, okay. Then you see raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. This one is very important, working capital, because working capital meaning yarn, you know, yarn which will be required by the weavers and clay by the potters. So, what we have to do here, production is equal to land plus labor plus physical capital plus human capital. Now, what is this human capital? Human capital meaning here you get investment in humans through better knowledge. Let's put it very clearly. People are the assets of the nation. So if the government thinks that it should invest money in the people to create other people who will be same like them, meaning assets to the nation. Here you see the example, this one, human capital. Here is the formula, land plus labor, physical capital plus human capital, this one. So here you get, here first is the green revolution. Green revolution was in India especially for wheat, and the father of green revolution is M. Swaminathan. Then you come to the white revolution, Dr. Verghese Kurian. He is called the milkman of India. And also you get here the information technology, and this is also very important. Bangalore is called the hub of information technology. So you remember all these three things. So in this village of PALAMPUR, these things you have to learn, and make sure when you read, you follow the notes very carefully, and I have written the question and answers from the net for you. Please read this. In the next class, we will see what is the meaning of physical capital. We'll go in detail. Thank you. All the best.